Hello, and welcome to another QSM tutorial. Today, we are going to create a How Did You Hear About a survey. If you want to create a WordPress and Box website, you can click at the top right corner of the screen. Here we are setting up the survey. We will add the name as How Did You Hear About Us. Further, you can also set up different descriptions for this survey like timers, contact form, page number, progress bar, comment box, etc. To enhance your surveys and quizzes, check out the QSM add-ons. Now we will configure the QSM tabs, and to begin with, we will add some basic questions about the survey in the Questions tab. For example, we added a question, how did you first hear about a product? And then we can add answer options, which are the most likely to be social media, online search, friends and family, and you can ask the user to input any other sources. To do that, you can enable the comment box for a long field or a short field. And don't forget to save the question. You can import existing questions from different quizzes and use them in your survey. Here we're choosing 4 to 5 questions which are the most suitable for our How Did You Hear About a survey. Next, we go to the Contacts tab. We can enable different fields for our contacts form, for example the name and email. Make sure to save the form. Now we will configure the Text tab. This is the most important tab because here you can set up what kind of message you want to show to the user before the quiz begins. Next we go to the Results page, and in the Results page, you need to give a good closure for your survey. For example, we are keeping our description short and using template variables to make this result page more personalized for the user. Here we are using the username template variable, and we save the result page. To beautify the survey, we configure the Style tab. The Fortune theme is quite suitable for any survey, and you can customize the theme according to the look and feel of your website. If you want, you can set up a featured image for your survey by selecting or uploading to the media library. And just save the picture. Now we will publish the survey. Find your survey in the Quizzes Surveys section, and copy the shortcode of the survey to embed it in your post or pages. So we will be creating a post here by going to Add New option. You can add any relevant title according to the survey title and survey description. We are going with the How Did You Hear About Us title itself, and search for the shortcode block. Here you need to paste the code that we copied earlier, and publish the post. Now when we can view the post, we could see our survey card floating on our post. So let's take the survey quickly. We will add a name for the contacts from, and email for the same. And we start the survey. As you can see, the timer that we set up at the beginning of the configuration is reflected on the survey card on the top right corner, and we have a progress bar for the question numbers. Now that the survey is complete, you can see how the template variable is being reflected with the user's name in the results page. And that is how you can create a How Did You Hear About a survey. Thanks for watching.